Why is it that some children excel at sports, drawing, or problem solving, but still struggle with reading? I'm Dr. Tikolo. Welcome to Dyslexia Insights with Dr. Tikolo, where we talk about real issues around dyslexia in Nigeria and Africa. Today, we'll explore creativity in children with reading difficulties and why they often shine in unexpected areas. Some children who struggle with reading or spelling show different kinds of creativity, and we often misunderstand what creativity can look like in dyslexia. Creativity could be problem solving, like figuring out solutions in practical ways, or finding shortcuts in tasks, or inventing new ways to approach a project. It could be designing, like thinking visually, creating layouts, drawings, or planning projects. It can even be strategic thinking, like planning ahead, organizing steps to achieving a goal, or anticipating a challenge before they even happen. For example, a child may be excellent at planning a school event or managing roles for their classmates. Another may quickly design a structure with blocks or draw detailed sketches that show unusual insight. It may be in sports, where they might excel at reading patterns in a game or predicting what the other team will do. This is why creativity in children with learning challenges is not limited to music or sports, as we all think or often think. It's really about finding unique ways to approaching challenges, to solving problems or expressing ideas. Many children with reading difficulties show creativity in school projects, physical activities, or even in their daily lives at home when they problem solve. Adults who struggled with reading as children often continue to excel in various creative areas. Like they may excel or shine in careers involving design, entrepreneurship, planning, music, or innovation, even when reading and writing continue to remain effortful. Some people assume that children who enjoy sports or drawing are avoiding learning. The truth of the matter is, these children may be showing their natural strengths. They are not avoiding effort. Creativity can be a key way that they excel and build confidence, even when reading remains challenging. So remember, creativity takes on many forms, whether that be sports, art, or innovation. Observe and encourage your child's unique strengths. And next time, we'll discuss why dyslexia often goes unnoticed in Nigerian schools. So keep observing, keep supporting, and I'll see you soon.